Welcome! In this quick tutorial, we'll show how to deploy DBConvert Streams, whether on a remote server or your local machine. To get started, we'll create a cloud server. Here, we're using Hetzner Cloud, but any provider works. Select your location, choose an image like Ubuntu 24, and enable public IPv4. We'll need the server's public IP address to connect in the next step. If you're installing locally on your own machine, feel free to skip this step and continue from the terminal. After your server is ready, open a terminal and connect to it using the SSH command. SSH root at your server IP. Go to the deployment page and copy the installation script. Paste it into your terminal and press Enter to begin installation. You'll be asked where to install. Press Enter to accept the default path or enter your own. Once the installation completes, go to the folder by running cd/opt/dbconvertstreams docker. Then launch the system with /start.sh. After running the script, the system sets up networking, configures Nginx, and shows the version info. Then it pulls all required containers and starts initializing services. Once services have started successfully, you'll see the UI and API URLs. Copy the UI address shown in the terminal. The setup is complete. The web interface is ready. To access it, open the UI address shown in your terminal. When you open the web interface, you'll be asked to enter your API key. You can get it from your account dashboard at streams.dbconvert.com/account. Enter your API key and you're ready to go. If you have any questions, just open the chat in the bottom right corner. We're here to help. DBConvert Streams is now running. You can start your first stream or reach out to us anytime using the built-in chat. Visit streams.dbconvert.com to get started.